We are a B2B furniture design and production company based in Vietnam. Our main focus is indoor wooden furniture designed at mid to mid-high levels and at prices which target the mass market. Our ownership is comprised of expats who've been operating in the Vietnamese furniture export business since 2006. Our main markets are the USA, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, and Ireland. Our customers are furniture importers, either furniture wholesalers or big retail chains, who are capable of purchasing at least a few containers a month and up to 30 containers per one range. Now, if you think there's a way that we could benefit your business, we have a couple of different options for you. The first is that you can simply pick a product from our catalog, we'll send you the prices and take it from there. The second option is if you'd like us to produce your design, we'll need a visual reference of the product to get an idea of your style as well as your target price and expected buying volume. Once we have these details, we can begin work on our end. Our work includes designing, drawing, quoting, and producing samples. You can find our contact information in the video description below. The main timbers we work with are pine, acacia, and oak, and some others per our customer request. On average, our MOQ is 20 pieces per item, and in normal times, our lead time is 70 days. However, with recent COVID developments, this has pushed our lead times up considerably. All members of our quality control team have over 15 years experience, and we do quality inspection, starting from the cutting stage up to the 100% final pre-packaging inspection, which includes checking the containers and loading the products. Our sales and customer service team are expats who understand both what the overseas client needs are and have a deep knowledge of which local Vietnamese challenges there could be and how to overcome them to satisfy the customer request. We support our clients in multiple ways. Anything from taking videos to professional pictures and catalogs, we are ready and on standby to help our clients pre-sell their products. If you are watching this video and you are in the furniture industry, feel free to contact us. Our contact details can be found in the video description below.